I'd like to share with you how you can make changes to your robots.txt file and see their effects on blocking your sites. And we're going to test this with every single site on your XML sitemap. So this script, which I previously shared, checks if anything is blocked, but we're going to extend it a bit further by actually making some changes to the file and seeing if or how they're going to affect things. So I just copied this code here. I'm going to paste it here, okay? And I'm going to download a robots.txt file in the same folder. So let me open it here. Okay, here it is. Let me just split these so we can see both. Okay, so this is my robots file and this is my Python script. And the file here has to be given as a URL. So you have to give it the full path. I just prepared it here. So the way it runs is I'm going to use UV to run this script. You can say UV run robots blocking URLs, and then this is the robots.txt file. Remember, this is a full URL file, / etc. Okay, so let me run it right now and see what happens. It got this, and we have an empty data frame. Nothing is blocked. So the idea here is, what if, let's say I disallow something called courses on this website, and let's run it again. Okay, so we have 100 pages that have courses in them where can fetch is false. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's say I want to see if I can block just this page, not the course, the particular specific course pages, but /courses. I wanted to be blocked, but not the course pages. So it worked. So this is a way you can test this, so you can see the effects, or you can say, okay, for user agent Googlebot, let's say, disallow this page, and for others don't. Let's run it again. Okay, so this URL can fetch is false for this user agent. Other user agents, there's no issues. Okay, so this is how you can play around with this and test before you launch, and remember that this is running the tests across every single URL in the sitemap and for every single user agent that exists on this particular robots file. So I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.